Hey, what's up, my construction entrepreneurs? Tyrone Jones here with the Construction Entrepreneur School of Services. What's going on? Hey, hold up here. Let me see if I can get my glow on. Got a glow. All right. So look, I want to talk about the estimating, how I train individuals to estimate. Most individuals I'm training to estimate have a lot of field knowledge and now looking to build their business. Now looking to really put all that experience to use and start making money for themselves and their families. And uh, coming from the field into an admin role trying to build your business is one of the toughest things because you have a lot of field experience, but you may not have ever touched a computer or very rarely dealt with Microsoft programs, Excel, PDFs and things like that. Probably have done it, but kind of dibbled and dabbled in it. Well, when you jump on the ownership side, you're going to be using that quite a bit. And you're going to have to learn how to function from a laptop or a computer more often than not. Your skills in the field is not going to get you to where you need to be at with building a business and getting to that ultimate dream. It's just not. So, how I train individuals on estimating is keeping it very simple. Okay, outside of learning the functions of working on a computer, it's just getting the concept in your head. Okay, and that concept takes a while to get, but it's just as simple as this. I call it the order of construction estimating, right? So it's just the order of construction. And why do I call it the order of construction? Because everyone has an order of construction for your trade, right? For example, your trade may do with demo. Let me see here. I got some stuff. Demo, prep, install, finish, clean, right? For my trade, it made the order of construction, the way I do things, the way things needs to be done to get that particular project done. I may have to do demo. I might have to do some backfilling and compaction. I might have to do form setting and light grading. I might have to do rebar installation. I might have to do pouring the concrete. Next, cleaning the site, right? And then that's my order construction for that job. Okay. So when you already know how to do that. Now you just have to break it down into the order of construction. Don't lump it all into one. And that's where we make a mistake. We lump everything into one. You're like, okay, so to do this job, I'm going to take this much. And you're like, I'm going to charge 2,300. And that you just pulled that out of thin air. And that's not the way it's done. That's not the way you're going to make money. And that's not the way you're going to survive. You need to know how much you're making on every single job. And you need to learn how to tally that cost and track that cost. So you know that you're being profitable and you're gaining speed and moving ahead. Okay. So the order of construction, you break it down. Now, with the order of construction, once we figure out that order of construction, right? The demo, prep, install, finish, clean. Okay. We're just going to keep it that simple. Okay. Those 5 things. With each of those things, you run through a list of one, two, three, four, or 4 items. Okay. So when you do demo, you ask yourself, what labor do I need? That's 1. What equipment do I need? That's 2. What materials do I need? That's 3. What services do I need? That's 4. Services mean like third party, someone outside of what you can provide. You need to call someone in. Okay. Let's say for prep work, preparing to do the work. You go through the 4 items again. Labor. What labor do I need for prep work? What equipment do I need? What materials do I need? What services do I need? Okay. Same thing for install. You go through those items on each order of construction step. And that's how you get it done. Just for the beginning steps. Rest, you still have to figure out labor burden, overhead, profit, percentages. But this is the basics.